Don't let fear determine who you are, and don't let where you come from determine where you're going. Greatness is an outcome of being relentless. Every mistake in life is a lesson to be learned and an opportunity for personal growth. You don't have to be perfect to be great. In the game of life, play your cards right, even if you have a crappy hand. Adversity is your greatest teacher. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's a result of consistent effort and a refusal to give up. Success is not just about making money, it's about making a difference. Character is how you treat those who can do nothing for you. Own your mistakes, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones to success. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.